Dramatic video shows Coast Guard nabbing drug smugglers on submarine. The drugs seized during the dramatic boarding are among the estimated $569 million in drugs seized from the Pacific that were offloaded Thursday in San Diego, according to Coast Guard officials. In total, Vice President Mike Pence attended the offloading of the drugs Thursday, along with Drug Enforcement Administration Acting Administrator Udom Dhillon and Coast Guard Pacific Area Commander Vice Admiral Linda Fagan. In a speech aboard, according to the release, In a press briefing Thursday, Special Agent James Sparrow of U.S. Homeland Security Investigations announced that 55 suspected smugglers had been detained along with the drugs that were seized. He added that although the boats and submarines interdicted were in international waters, Sparrow noted that law enforcement is able to inspect the vessels because they are. The drug and vessel seizures are only the beginning of a long investigation, according to Sparrow. After when asked if the seizures were unusual, Sparrow said that homemade submarine seizures are not.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.